Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today is another field trip day. We're going to head over to Jonesborough, Tennessee and check out a place called Tennessee Quilts. I can't wait to show you all the fun things I found. Oh, is this whole thing Christmas? It's all Christmas over here, guys. Look at how pretty they folded this fat quarter bundle. Hello, how are you? Doing well. This is such a cute shop. Yes. Look at all these fun patterns.
I don't know if I'm doing this as a backing for a 3-yard quilt. Again, yeah, I can't stress how important it is to know what you're doing. I don't know yet. I don't know. And that's why you don't buy it right away.
Huh? I love that you understand it. That's actually Old Glory. Oh, that's the panel from Old Glory. Yeah, that's Lola Boutiques. They've got a lot of great fabrics.
Okay, so are you familiar with the Quick Ripper?
No.
Okay, it is our notion of the for the Shop Hop. And
Okay.
what it is, it's 30% off. So it's normally $26.50. It's $18.55, and it is like a mustache trimmer.
Okay.
And it has a guard on the top and the bottom, so it's not going to cut your fabric.
Okay.
It's just going to trim your threads. And if you machine embroidery, I've been told it
Oh,
would be
wow.
helpful for taking out oopses
Okay.
for that as well.
You must know my taking stitches, right?
And then all you do is kind of find a way to anchor it down, go straight, and it just,
Pulls them right through.
yup, and if you want to give it a try, you're certainly
Okay.
welcome to do so. But that is our notion,
Okay.
our featured notion. And paper piecing is our method for doing our block. Are you
Okay.
familiar with paper
Yes,
piecing?
I
Oh, good.
am. Yes.
Okay, yay. All right, so whether you get the pattern
Okay.
only or the fabric pack, you will get a sheet that has instructions for what size to cut your fabric pieces. And
Okay.
as a picture, you will get a foundation piece, and it makes, if there's like 9 blocks, and essentially when you get them done, you're putting together a 9-patch.
Okay.
Um,
So did you guys print this just for the sock hop or this? Why do I
yes.
keep saying that? Shop
Because
hop?
I think there was another one somewhere that was a sock hop. I think Missouri Star. I think is doing a
Okay.
sock hop,
Okay.
shop hop.
It's
So,
too many. Yeah.
too many ops.
Yes. Yes.
So at anyway, and then our fabric pack has, like I said, same 2 items, but there are enough strips to make one of our blocks.
Okay.
And strips are cut. We have 5 strips in there.
Okay.
We have additional papers available for $1 each,
Okay.
and we anticipate having them beyond Shop
The
Hop.
extent of it. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
you don't have to purchase them. during
Okay.
Shop Hop.
Yeah, because that makes a beautiful quilt. I love it on
Yeah,
point
thank
like
you.
that. That's
Mhm.
great.
So thanks.
Awesome.
And yeah, these are our instructions for paper piecing.
Okay.
We start with gluing the wrong side of the first piece to the wrong side of the paper, and then after that, it just repeats. So
Okay.
you're welcome to that if you like it.
No, no. Look at all the rulers. You guys, look at all the different patterns. Look, there's the elephant here. Shh. Look at all these fabrics. All these batiks in every color. And all these peacocks.
Right back.
Oh look, at all the Free Spirit collection. It's a fabric manufacturer. Look, here's all the roar and the besties.
polka dot
Can we go on the
size instead. All right, guys.
Do we have new quilters?
Okay guys, so thanks so much for coming with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. It's like this quilt shop had my number and just knew that I was into foundation paper piecing right now. I can't wait to sew this one out. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and until then, I will see you guys next time.